In this video, we are going to see CTM routine using just three products, cleansing, toning and moisturizing a routine with a minimal products and are effective. This CTM routine will suit oily to combination skin types and it can be done for both morning and night time. For the first step, cleansing, I take the Wow Skin Science Green Tea Foaming Face Wash. This comes with its inbuilt brush, which is so soft. This brush is so good for exfoliation too. In this clip, I'm trying to pump the face wash out, but it seems like it's over. I finished this entire bottle. Thankfully, I have this refill pack from Wow. Thank God I have this at home. Let me fill the bottle. This bottle, the foaming face wash bottle, is 100 ml and the refill pack is 200 ml, which means I can fill the bottle twice. So good. The refill pack also comes with an extra brush, but I think I don't need this brush because the brush that I'm already using is in good condition. So I will keep this brush in the box itself in case if I need that in future. As you can see, I am really tired. I'm shooting this video in the night time as part of my nighttime skincare routine. So you can see my skin is tired, dehydrated and feels very dull. And I'm gonna use this routine and you will see the result in the end. This face wash removes makeup and dirt without drying out the skin. It helps to remove deep-seated impurities from skin and prevent skin from damage. It helps to retain the natural oils and moisture on the skin and supports lipid barrier. It gives the skin a clean radiance and youthful softness. It is free from sulfate, parabens and silicons. Every time I use this face wash, I feel like this face wash does not dry out my skin at all, which is so good. For toning, I use the Wow Skin Science Rose and Lavender Skin Toner. This comes in a spray form which is so easy to use. This toner I have been using for a long time and this is also going to get over. This toner smells amazing. This is a mixture of both rose and lavender which immediately soothes the mind and calms the soul. The fragrance is so good and also you could see in the clip I feel very refreshed and hydrated after using this toner. It balances, hydrates, protects, and refreshes the skin. It also tightens the open pores. It contains lavender and rose aerosols, plus witch hazel, green tea, and cucumber extracts. This toner I like it so much because this does not contain alcohol in it. Usually, I don't prefer alcohol based toners because it makes my skin even more oilier and it feels very sticky. But this one is non sticky, so good for oily to combination skin types. It is also free from parabens and mineral oils. The last step, we have came to the last step. Isn't this easy, guys? Just CTM, just three products for both your morning and night routine. This is so easy. If you are a beginner in skincare, then I think you should try this CTM routine because it's easy and effective. For the last step, I'm taking the Wow Skin Science Green Tea Face Moisturizer. I'm just taking a little bit and spreading it across my face. This moisturizer is good for oily, combination and acne prone skin type. It is oil free, lightweight, quick absorbing and non-sticky. It helps to balance excessive sebum and prevents pores from clogging. I usually don't like heavy moisturizer, but this one is light and oil free. This moisturizer helps to soothe irritations and redness and also keeps your acne in check. It gives the skin a velvety smoothness and a matte look, which is so important for oily skin. The active helps to repair skin damage and maintains collagen levels so that the fine lines and wrinkles are reduced. So that's it, guys. These are the three products that I use for my CTM routine. If you are a beginner, if you're just beginning your skincare, if you wanted to invest in some products, I would say just start up with this one because it is easy, less time consuming and also effective at the same time. As you can see, I am really tired. I'm shooting this video in the night time as part of my nighttime skincare routine. So that's it, guys. I'm going to sleep peacefully doing all my routine. So good night and take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.